Today I am reviewing Nuwave Brio Plus 8QT Air Fryer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-capacity, high-performance air fryer that combines style, precision, and convenience, the Nuwave Brio Plus 8 Quart Air Fryer is an impressive option. This isn't just any air fryer. It's a fully upgraded, modern appliance designed to make healthy cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. First off, the capacity is huge. At 8 quarts, this air fryer is perfect for families, meal prepping, or even entertaining guests. Whether you're cooking chicken wings, a full batch of fries, roasted vegetables, or even a small whole chicken, the Brio Plus gives you enough room to handle large meals without crowding the basket. This means your food cooks evenly, gets crispy, and doesn't steam like it might in smaller, more crowded air fryers. The design is sleek and modern, featuring a digital touchscreen with bright, cool white letters and numbers. The display is not just visually appealing, it's highly practical. You can easily read and adjust settings in any kitchen lighting, which makes cooking more intuitive and convenient. Unlike older models that rely on analog dials, this Brio Plus gives you precision control right at your fingertips. You can set temperatures from 50 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in exact 5-degree increments, which is ideal for recipes that require precision, like baked goods or delicate proteins. One of the standout features of this air fryer is the digital touch interface. It comes with 5 cook functions, over 100 presets, and the ability to save up to 50 custom memory settings. This means once you find the perfect temperature and cooking time for your favorite dishes, you can store it and reuse it every time. Cooking becomes almost effortless, and you can achieve consistent results without constantly monitoring your food. Safety has also been a key focus. The Brio Plus has a pause feature when you pull the basket out, so you can safely check or shake your food. Once the basket is returned, cooking resumes automatically. Additionally, the air circulation riser is designed to fit securely, reducing the risk of accidents or spills during operation. For anyone concerned about safety in a busy kitchen, this is a very thoughtful addition. Another major benefit is the PFAS-Free, non-stick ceramic basket. This material is not only safe for cooking, it's also durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. You won't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food, and cleanup is fast and stress-free. The ceramic surface also ensures that your food won't stick, giving you perfectly crispy textures without excess oil. The Brio Plus also offers versatility. It's capable of air frying, baking, and roasting, and with its advanced airflow system, your food cooks evenly and quickly. The unit has 3 different wattages, 700, 1500, and 1800 watts, so you can adjust power for different types of meals, making it efficient and adaptable for all kinds of recipes. In terms of performance, the Nuwave Brio Plus excels at cooking crispy, golden results with far less oil than traditional frying methods. Its improved heating technology ensures that every corner of the basket gets consistent airflow, producing food that's cooked perfectly inside and out. Whether you're cooking wings, fries, or vegetables, the results are reliable, tasty, and healthy. To sum it up, the Nuwave Brio Plus 8 Quart Air Fryer is a game-changer for home cooking. It combines high capacity, precise digital controls, safety features, and a non-toxic ceramic cooking surface to make air frying fast, healthy, and convenient. Its stylish design and easy-to-read touchscreen make it a centerpiece for any kitchen, and the customizable presets and memory functions make everyday cooking almost effortless. If you want a reliable, large-capacity air fryer that's user-friendly, safe, and delivers consistent, delicious results, the Nuwave Brio Plus is absolutely worth considering. From family dinners to meal prepping, it's built to handle all your cooking needs efficiently and safely, while keeping the experience simple, enjoyable, and mess-free.